Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about animations.
Yeah, boy.
So, animating Marvel Rivals 3D model is really easy. You can animate Marvel Rivals 3D model with just one click. You don't need to use F model and do complicated things to import animations in Blender. For this tutorial, we will use Rivals porting application. And if you don't know how to set up Rivals porting, I have already made a tutorial on it. And also make sure to use the latest version of Rivals porting. I will also tell you how to import Fortnite animations on Rivals 3D model and make something like this.
What the dog doing?
Who are you?
So keep watching the tutorial. So you guys can see that I have already opened my rival sporting application and I have opened my Blender application, and Blender application is on standby. Okay. So now first of all we will try to import a 3D model and then we will try to import an animation on it. Okay. So let's go to this assets option and here we can choose any agent as we desire. So for now I am choosing Squirrel Girl, and for his skin I am using default skin first because understanding default skin animations is really easy. Okay, so once you select your desired skin, just click on this export button and wait for some time. So you guys can see that our model has already been imported to Blender, and first of all let's disable the bone and turn on the material preview to see if our material is broken or not. Okay, so here we can see our material on this character is perfectly fine, and now the rivals porting after the second update they have fixed the eyes texture, so you don't need to texture the eyes, it will automatically be textured. So make sure to use the updated rivals porting. Okay, so once you have imported your model, make sure to enable the bones and then select the bones, not the character, just select the bones. You can see I have selected the bones, and now go to this Marvel Rivals porting. Okay, so here you can see there is a files option available here. Just click here and you need to find your code of the character. So here you can see in the name the our character code name is 1032 and main file is 1032.001. Okay, so we will go to that location here. So here click on this Marvel, go to content and again click on this Marvel, and in characters tab you can see here is 1032, so we will go to 1032, and after that there is also a for name 1032.001. So we will go into this folder 1032.001, and this folder will contain all the animations related to this character Squirrel Girl. Okay, so just click on this drop down and you can see here we got an animations option, and rest of other things are available here, but we don't need it. We need to go to this animations option to import the animations of Bunny Girl. Okay, Squirrel Girl. So just click on this drop down and wait for some time because this process might be heavy because there are tons of lots of animation. Whatever you are seeing here, that pose, hit body, hit head, all are the animations related to this Squirrel Girl. Okay, so first of all, since this is a lobby model, you can already see it says lobby, so we will try to use import the lobby animations on this. Okay, so first of all we will try to import emotes. Okay, we will not try to import the game animation. Whatever animation that is coming here, jump, falling, jump, land, are the in-game animation. Okay, first of all we will try to import the lobby animations like emotes and MVP animations. Okay, so just click on this emotes drop down. Okay, and you can see whatever the animations ending with lobby name will be applied on this model. Okay, so let's try with the first one. Just select this animation, just select this emote thing and then press on this export button and wait for some time. Okay, so you can see the pose of our model has been changed, and for now we are disabling the bones, and just zoom across the timeline. You can see the animations have been input and she is doing something. You can see how amazing the animations look. Okay, suppose if you want to import another animation, what you can do is re-enable the bone. Make sure you have selected the bones and then go to Marvel Rivals, and let's try the other lobby one. Okay, so first of all we have tried this, now try this second lobby animation. Okay, so just click on this export button and wait for some time, and make sure do not do anything, otherwise your Blender will crash while exporting animation. Okay, so you can see the animation has been imported and it's doing something different, and if you disable the bones you can see it clearly what animations she is doing. Okay, so you can see how much amazing the animations look, and for now it is lagging because I am recording, but if you go to this solid viewport shading mode, you can play the animations smoothly. You can see that I am playing the animation and it looks amazing. Since I am recording, I am getting only 15 fps, but for you it will be around 30 fps. And suppose if you want to change the frame rate of animations, you can change the frame rate of animations from here. You can change from 30 to 60, whatever frame rate you want. Okay, you can see she is doing something. And let's try some other animations here. These are basically the emotes model. Now let's try the mvp animation. If you become an mvp in game, you can see there is a different animation when you quit the game. Okay, so just click on this mvp folder, and it might lag for some time because there are a lot of animation. So you can see that I have opened the mvp folder, and let's try the second one, not the first one. Let's try the second one and click on this export button and wait for some time. So yeah, you can see the animation has been loaded, and I think she jumps from height in this animation. So you can see she's flying right now, and she has jumped below. She has gone below. Yeah, wait a second. She has gone here, and you can see she is doing some animation here. So I think this one is the MVP animation for her. And suppose if you want to use the in-game animation, again select this bone, go to rival sporting, and you can see there are a lot of in-game animation. Some of this animation might work, but some of this animation might not work. So you need to check that what animations is working and what animations are not working. Okay, so let me try some animation here. Let's start with lie down start animation. Okay, so you can start importing this animation. You can see this animation is working, and there are many other animation. Keep on applying this animation: turn 90-degree, turn, and walk forward, run backward. Let's try this animation. If you get an error while importing the animation, you can't import this animation, so try another animation and wait for some time, and you can see this animation has been imported. Okay, so she is moving forward. So you can see how amazing, how easy is it to animate the 3D model with Marvel Rivals porting. Okay, and now I will tell you how to import Fortnite animations on this model. You can also import Fortnite animations on some of the characters of Marvel Rivals. Like you can import Fortnite animation on a Squirrel Girl, and there are many other different model. And I don't know in which you can import the Fortnite animation, but with Squirrel Girl, Fortnite animations are working perfectly fine. So let's try importing Fortnite animations. So for importing Fortnite animations, we need to use Fortnite porting application. It is similar like Rivals porting, but the name is different, Fortnite porting. Okay, so you can see that I have already opened Fortnite porting, and if you don't know about Fortnite porting, I will give its download link in description, and you need to have Fortnite game for this to work. Okay, so if you play Fortnite game, you can use Fortnite porting because it has a lot of animations, like literally a lot of animations. Okay, so first of all, just go to assets in Fortnite porting and click here once, and you can see there are some emotes option available here. Just click on this emotes, and you can see how many emotes are available here. All these emotes you can import on this Rivals 3D model. Okay, so there is a really popular emote in Fortnite named Dance Moves. So we will search it, Dance Moves. Okay, so you can see this is the emote, and just select this emote and make sure you have selected the bones on character, and then click on this export button. Okay, and wait for some time. You can see that emote has been applied on this character, and just disable the one so you can preview. And there is a good thing about Fortnite porting, it also imports the audio. If I play this animation, you will hear audio also. So you can see that the audio is playing, and if I play this audio too much, I think I might get a copyright on my channel. So it's better to this much. You can see she is dancing also. And for now, this thing, the weapon thing here, it looks really bad. So what we can do is in our shading tab, we can actually disable the material of this weapon. Okay, so go to shading tab and turn off the bones here, and this weapon is looking very bad. So what you can do is just go to select this model, go to materials, and here you can find a material named weapon 02. uh, just delete this shader thing, and add a principled BSDF and connect it to surface, and then turn the alpha down. Okay, this way you can see that I have completely removed her weapon, and now if you try, she will dance. Okay, so won't play the animation because the music will also play, but this is how the animations look like. Okay, so in a solid viewport setting, the weapon is still there, but if you start rendering, the weapon will be gone. You can see there is no weapon, and she is dancing also. So you can see how amazing the animations look. So this is how you import Fortnite animation also in Marvel Rival 3D character. And I hope you liked today video, guys. Today video was really amazing, and make sure to make amazing animations and share it on my Discord. I will see and review what type of crazy animation are you guys making. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Till then, goodbye, and meet in let us meet in next tutorial. See you later, guys. Thank you.